So here's how to promote Teespring products on Pinterest. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Teespring account. After that, here you have to create a listing of your products. Once you have successfully created a listing of your products, now here as you can see, it gives you a URL to share anywhere on your social platforms. To promote products on Pinterest, you have to simply open your Pinterest app or Pinterest account on your desktop. But before that, here I'm gonna tell you one important thing. As you can see, it also offers you a promo code that you can give to your customers. For this, you have to click on the activate option to activate your promo code. Now you have to click on the live to make it live. If you features discount on your products by using promo codes, then there will be more chances to sell your products on Pinterest or any other platform. To promote your products on Pinterest, you have to simply go to your Pinterest account, then click on the create option. After that, here you have to click on the create a pin option. Now you can simply add the product pictures on your pin. After that, you have to copy the link of your product listing on your Teespring account. Copy this URL and go to your Pinterest app where you are creating a pin and go to the add a destination link option and paste this link there. You can also use Pinterest ads to promote your products. By regularly posting your products on Pinterest, you will be successfully able to generate more sales. So that's how to promote Teespring products on Pinterest.